Okay. Hello guys, good evening. Uh, Yesterday we have discussed about song. Today we will discuss with a new topic that is about film. You can tell about a movie you have seen or a movie you know. Okay, Zila.
Okay, Raffi, can you tell me about your favorite movie? Raffi, can you tell me about your favorite movie?
Tes, tes.
Yeah,
Halo, halo. Mas.
yes, I can hear.
So, about me, I don't really watch many movies lately, but I used to watch when I was younger. So I'm going to tell you about the movie I watched as a kid. Most of them are cartoons. So one of the ones I used to watch is How to Train Your Dragon. Do you know? Do any of you know? Ya tahu. Okay. I forgot. Is it by Pixar? I forgot. But the movie is about a village, a group of Vikings, with the main character named Hiccup. He is unlike the other Viking. The other Viking kill and slay dragons, but Hiccup choose not to. Instead, he trains them and befriends them instead. Hence the name How to Train Your Dragon. It has, I think the genre falls into action and comedy. I think the comedy was pretty okay, but I like the animations and the original soundtrack. The soundtrack is I have to say the soundtrack is amazing. The animation is smooth, and yeah, the the movie Hiccup, the main protagonist, has a partner, a dragon partner, which he named Toothless. Toothless is a black skull dragon that can shoot like lasers from his mouth. Toothless is like disabled. He doesn't have a back wing, so Toothless was made a prosthetic wing by Hiccup, and I think that is the plot for the first movie. There's like two sequels after How to Train Your Dragon. There is How to Train Your Dragon 1, 2, and 3. And the first one is about meeting Toothless for the first time and making him a prosthetic wing and then training together. And finally, like subduing the Dragon Queen and Dragoness, I think, if I'm not wrong. The cast is pretty amazing. The voice acting, but I don't really remember the voice actor and actresses. I think that's all I can share about the movie. Maybe one of you guys want to ask instead. Hello? Hello?
Okay,
Yes.
thank you, Mr. Rafi. Maybe someone want to ask question to Mr. Rafi. Reza, do you want to ask question to Mr. Rafi? Or Gila?
Wait.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Raffi, what your title genre comedy?
Movie comedy.
Yeah.
I don't know. Because genre-nya like only comedy, the main is comedy. Kalau yang pokoknya apa sih? Yang komedi doang gitu aku nggak tahu sih asli. I don't know movie was main genre is comedy, I think. Maybe Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda tuh action komedi atau komedi action? Nggak tahu.
Komedi. Komedi
Lebih
aksi.
lebih ke komedi nggak sih? More of comedy, right? Yeah, that's one.
Okay. How do you feel after watching the film genre comedy? Happy or sad or cool?
Well, it depends. For comedy, if the comedy doesn't hit, it doesn't suits you, it's boring. But if the comedy fits you, then it's fun.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Reza, for the question. Okay, Mr. Rafi, I have a question. Do you have watched the sequel, ya, lanjutan dari film pertamanya?
I have. I think I have. But I kind of forget what it is about the second one.
Yeah. Okay.
I remember the third is like reuniting with his mother, right? But I forget the.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rafi.
Yes.
Okay, Sila, the next participant.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Rafi. Okay, the last, Reza, can you tell me about your favorite movie?
Yes, my favorite movie genre thriller. The title movie is The Godfather. Is a 1972 American crime film directed by Francis Ford Coppola and produced by Albert S. Rudy, with a screenplay by Mario Puzo and Coppola, starring Marlon Brando and Al Pacino as the leader of fictional New York crime family. The story spans the years 1945, focusing on Michael Corleone transformation into a ruthless mafia boss by telling Vito as the head of the Corleone family. Based on Puzo's best-selling novel of the same name, The Godfather is generally regarded regarded as one of the greatest film in the world of cinema, as well as one the most influential film, especially in the gangster genre, ranked second only to Citizen Kane by the American Film Institute in 2007. The film was selected for preservation in the United States United States National Film Registry in 1770. It was the highest grossing film of all time ever made and remained a box office leader in 1972. It won the Oscar that year, Best Picture, Best Actor, Brando, and the Best Adapted Screenplay category for Puzo and Coppola. Nomination in 7 other categories include Pacino, James Caan, and Robert Duvall for the Best Supporting Actor and Coppola for the Best Director. The success of these films spawned to sequel The Godfather Part 2 in 1974 and The Godfather Part 3 in 1990. Okay, thank you. Enough for me. Thank you for
Thank you,
listening.
Reza. Reza, can I ask your question?
Yes, Miss Zila.
Do you prefer film with complex or complicated plots? Maksudnya itu, kamu lebih menyukai film yang alur ceritanya kompleks atau yang rumit?
Yang rumit.
Why?
Ya, genre thriller. Karena harus ikut mikir gitu. Senang aja.
Okay, thank you, Reza. Okay, guys, can you ask question for Reza?
Yes.
Reza, can I ask you a question? Hello. Hi.
Yes, hello.
What part of Godfather that makes you like the film? What part of the film?
The Godfather.
Yang
The
bikin
Godfather
kamu,
1.
yang bikin kamu suka sama filmnya apa?
Itu kayak nyeritain mafia. Jadi dia tiap ada permintaan gitu dari keluarganya pasti dikabulin gitu.
So do you like the character or the story the most? I mean,
Karakter.
Okay. Thank you, Reza.
Kayak Peaky Blinders gitu.
Oh ya. Peaky Blinders.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rafi. Reza, can I ask a question to you?
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Panji.
I have a question. How many times have you watched that film? Berapa kali kamu udah nonton film itu?
4
Wow,
playing
4 times
udah
ya.
4 kali. Nggak bosan itu. Itu satu film tuh ada 3 jam yang part 1.
Wah, mantap. That's nice. You really like that
Yo,
film
iya.
ya?
Pasti kamu nonton Kingsman juga ya?
Kingsman.
Iya.
Apa tuh? Belum. Lupa.
Oh, belum. Wajib nonton sih kata aku kalau suka film gitu.
Coba keyboardnya gimana? Keywordnya Kingsman biasa.
Kingsman biasa. Nih.
Oh,
A good
Kingsman.
film. I think it's a 9 out of 10 from Kingsman.
Oh, Netflix nggak ada sih. Dan di mana platform apa tuh nontonnya biasanya?
I forgot. Aku lupa sih. Waktu itu pernah sempat muncul di TV sih. Cuma lupa channel apa.
Oh,
You like action movies?
oh,
And one
Kingsman
with
Secret Service.
yes,
Itu.
yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
ya.
It's a very good movie. I recommend it.
Oke, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Is that enough?
Yes, enough from me.
Okay. Is that if anyone doesn't want to ask a question again, I think that's enough for this meeting. Yeah. Thank you for the participant for sharing the film. Mr. Reza have tell us about the film Godfather, and Mr. Raffi has taught us about how to train a dragon. Thank you. At the next meeting, we will discuss a different topic from today. We will discuss about social media. I hope you will prepare. I think that's enough for today's meeting. Thank you and see you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All.